These Jeossy boots are such a classic staple for the winter. I'm so excited to get my hands on a pair because I've been seeing people wear them all over and I really needed one. So these are really, really great because the ankle's actually not super tall. So you're gonna have some flexibility and movability in that. And they're slip-ons, right? Because they have the elastic on both sides. You can easily just slip them in, slip them out. They look really cute, but it's not a lot of effort and work, right? You can just like put them on really easily, walk out the door. It has this nice pull tab because of the elastic, so it's easy to slip them on and get your heel in there. And the shoe is a vegan leather, which is really nice, right? Sustainable that way. And then this rubberized sole. Plus, speaking of the sole, look how much traction there is on this thing, right? That's so perfect for winter. That means I'm gonna feel safe walking through parking lots, knowing that this extra inch here at the toe or the extra 2 inches here in the back is gonna elevate my foot a little bit, so I'm not gonna get so cold stepping in snow, and with all this traction, not having to worry too much about slipping either. Let's talk sizing. So I'm usually a 7 or a 7.5, and I went with a size 7 in these shoes, and they fit perfectly. So pretty true to size. And if you're between sizes like I am, definitely go with your smaller of your two. That's my recommendation. And overall, I just think they're such a nice classic pair of boots for the winter. They come in so many different colors, so you could mix and match, right? For whatever outfits you need, get multiple of them. And I highly recommend this boot for the winter.